Never forget what someone says to you when they are angry because that's when the truth comes out. Kindness makes you the most beautiful person in the world, no matter what you look like. Accept every situation with a smile. Not invited, don't go. Not told, don't ask. Let invitees decline. You are never part of the plan. Accept that. Make yourself a priority once a while. It is not selfish, it is necessary. I don't regret the things I did wrong. I regret the good things I did for the wrong people. People who have no life will always try the start drama in yours. A person who does not define your name while someone slanders you is your enemy too. A person who is okay with being alone is a powerful person. I can't understand how some people can be okay with themselves knowing that they emotionally destroyed someone who loved them. It is better to feel the height of honesty than to live in the false comfort of a life. If you don't heal from what hurt you, you will bleed on people who did not cut you. Be strong but not rude. Be kind but not weak. Be humble but not shy. Be proud but not arrogant. Stay away from people who belittle you in a playful way that shared be jealousy. The wrong partner will set you back financially, spiritually, mentally, and physically. One day you will realize that material things mean nothing. All that matters is the well being of the people in your life. Love all truthful. Not everything is real, and not everyone is true. I am a very forgiving person, so if I stop talking to you, you really did too much. Too many people think the grass is greener somewhere else, but grass is green where you water is. Remember that. No one knows how much you went through this year, but you stayed strong and don't quit. Listen to your spirit when it tells you the fall. Big from certain people. Some people want material things. Me, I just want peace, happy times, and people that love me. No matter how good or bad your life is, wake up each morning and be thankful that you still have one. You will never be good enough for everybody, but you will always be good enough for someone who really appreciates you. I know you have a beautiful heart, and soon your dream will come true. A time will come in your life when someone people will regret why they treated you wrong. Forgive everyone to matter that, but always remember the lesson you learned with them. A humble heart can turn cold at times. Don't take advantage of nice people. My silence does not mean I agree with you. It means your level of stupidity rendered me speechless. You are about to overcome something you have been dealing with. Your mind and heart will soon be at peace. Again, be patient, everything will be okay. Stop wasting your time with people who treat you good one day and different the next. The only people who deserve to be in your life are the one who treat you with love, kindness and respect. A strong woman never give up. We might need a coffee or a good cry or even a day in bed, but we always come back stronger. Your bedtime is going to end this weekend. Be ready for a wonderful new start. Don't regret having a good heart. All good things come back and multiply. Time decides who you meet in life. Your heart decides who you want to in your life, and your behavior decides who stay in your life. Don't ever think you did something wrong by asking to be treated right. People don't define what is right anymore. They defined who they like. As not it cry how much time we invest in one person only the end up strangers again. I will always be true for those who are true to me. Don't ever put me in a position where I have got to show you how cold hearted I can be. The roast feeling is when you find out you don't mean as much someone as you thought you did, and you look so stupid for crying too much. Unless you are me in my situation, don't ever tell me how I should act or feel. A mistake respected more that once it not a mistake. It is a decision. It is behavior. It is who they are. I know you have a beautiful heart and soon your dream will come true. The best place to sleep is in the arms of someone you love. Never be so thirsty that you drink any cup given to you. Be selective, be smart, be wise. Stay away from people who ignore you until they need you. Make someone smile every day, but never forget that you are someone too. You will end up really disappointed if you think people will do for you as you do for them. Not everyone has the same heart as you. Never argue with liars. You can't win because they believe their own lies. People don't notice the things we do for them until we stop doing them. Remember who checks you on your when you get a little quiet. Those are your people. If you have the chance to make people happy, just do it. Sometimes people are struggling silently. Maybe your act of kindness can make their day. I am not interested in fighting, hating, blaming, or being petty with whatever remaining time I have on earth. I just want to live, love, be loved, and be at peace. Before you judge me, you better make sure that you are perfect. If you lied to me and I find out the truth, I will never look at you the same. I can keep my mouth shut, but you can read the subtitle on my face. People and time will teach you more than the books. When they come back, don't forget how they left. A real man chooses to honor, love, respect, adore, and faithful to one woman. I don't care what anyone says, living alone is a woman is one of the most perfectly luxurious experience of my life. If you have to choose between being kind and being right, choose to be kind and you will always be right. No matter how educated, rich, or cool you believe you are, treat people ultimately tells all integrity is everything. I'm not open to many people, so if I show you the real me, you must be very special. Stay away from people that act like a victim in a problem that they created. Someone out there is discussing the old you because they have no access to the new you. No matter how broke you are, learn to reject offers that come with disrespect. If you really want to get rid of people, all you have got to do is tell the truth.